Hi, my name is Donovan. I'm a sales consultant here at John Amato Hyundai Mazda, home of Warranty Forever. And today we're going to take a look at the 2013 Nissan Rogue SL. This is a great vehicle. This vehicle will come with Warranty Forever. Take a look at the front here. Proximity key and entry on this vehicle. Power windows, power locks, very nice. This vehicle does have all-wheel drive. Bluetooth cruise control right there on the steering wheel. Center console. Leather seats. Red stitching, and with the black leather seats, looks really nice. This vehicle will have a rear camera and a front-facing camera. Back seats really nice. Again, that red stitching. And then let's just take a look at the trunk here. Soft touchpad on the trunk, which is a nice feature. Nice roomy trunk space. This has been a quick look at the 2013 Nissan Rogue SL. My name is Donovan. If you have any questions, please call 414-399-9612.